Welcome, my friends, to a new day, a new video, and a new recipe as well. Have you ever eaten, my friends, the crispy bread? The recipe is very special and delicious. Have you heard, my friends, the sound of the crispy bread? This bread is soft on the inside and the surface of the bread is crispy. We need 110 ml of milk. We also add 25 grams of sugar to them, and after that we add 5 grams of yeast, and we need 1 egg. Then we add 250 grams of flour and start kneading the materials together until they are cohesive. Thank you, my friends, for your interaction in the previous videos and sharing them with your friends. This makes me happy after completing the first kneading stage and the dough has become cohesive. We add 2 to them, grams of salt and 25 grams of butter, preferably room temperature butter. We return to kneading again. Try to continue kneading for 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth. As I tell you every time, you can use the dough machine, and this is a good thing. After finishing kneading, we put the dough in a bowl, cover it, and wait 55 minutes until the yeast reacts and the dough doubles in size. My friends, I will be happy if you write to me in the comments from which country you are watching me. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. This helps me grow the channel. During the waiting time, we are preparing the crispy layer. We need 65 grams of butter, and the butter must be at room temperature. We also add 135 grams of powdered sugar to them and mix them together as you saw. Be careful, my friends, that it does not become a dough. After that, we add 150 grams of flour and 40 grams of eggs, which is the amount of 1 small egg, after the mixture becomes cohesive. They have 5 grams of matcha tea powder. Its color is very interesting. Then we cut it into 8 pieces and form it into balls, cover it and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes after the dough has become fermented. Have my friends seen how much the size of the dough has doubled? What a wonderful view, as you saw as we cut. The dough is divided into 8 pieces, and we form it into balls. After that, we place the dough ball on a table and return to shaping it again until the air comes out of it, as you saw. After completing the formation of all the dough balls, we prepare the crispy dough that we put in the freezer. Then we spread it on the table in a circular shape, as you can see. We cover the dough ball in this way that you saw, and we cover the top with sugar. The appearance is very wonderful, and the color of the bread is strange. When I made this bread, my family and I were eager to taste this bread, and my young child told me what the taste of crispy bread would be, as I had never tasted it before. My friend said that matcha tea is a type of Japanese tea, and it is very useful, and I always prefer to drink it. You can use matcha tea to make cream, cake, and ice cream in my workplace. I use it by breaking it. It is one of the favorite types among customers, especially in ice cream. After we finish shaping the entire dough, we plan it for 35 minutes. Until it doubles in size after the dough ferments and becomes ready, we sprinkle it with a little water, as you can see in the baking stage. We need a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for a period ranging between 20 to 22 minutes after the baking is finished. The view is wonderful and the smell is delicious. My family and I ate it with a cup of milk, hot, and you can also eat it with Nescafe or as desired. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Write to me in the comments if you like it. I care about your opinion, whether it is negative or positive. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. Do not forget to activate the bell and like button. Thank you for following me. I wish you well. Have a nice day and see you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.